Yeah, I'm down here freezing cold down on the south side, and I got these peanuts. And I'm just gonna smash these peanuts. They're unsalted. Look at all that. Look at those peanuts. No one's gonna come and save us. Maybe instead of salt, they can start using peanuts to help the roads. Was giving me some good traction here. This is Aldi Parking Lot. It's the best place to just come and take out your frustration, pain, and suffering. I just gotta say that, you know, these are non-GMO, gluten-free jumbo peanuts. All this snow. You've been informed with peanuts. I'll lick you boom boom down. Yeah. Whew. I'm tired. I think I'm gonna eat a peanut here. I got peanuts. I got a lot of them. Who's ready to eat some peanuts? Yeah.